Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today we are having a meeting among the CEO, board member and the developer team members about a hospital management system by maintaining ACM and ASI code of ethics, where especially we will provide service to the poor people in free of cost. So to develop such kind of software, we need a strong data protection security.
Well, the agenda of this meeting is to develop a software for patient and hospital staff in limited time with a fixed budget.
Can you explain the requirements for the software? Actually, we need to know what kinds of feature you are expecting.
Okay, in this case, the requirements of the software is data entry and protection, data modification, and data restriction.
What do you think? How much money and time will be needed for this?
Well, we can offer you 1.5 lakhs and the project should finish within 2 months.
To honor confidentiality of personal data according to ACM 1.6 and 1.7 principle, can you please explain what level of protection you want for your data privacy and confidentiality?
For data protection, we want GDPR law to be applied and ensure database security by encrypting data.
But to fulfill all the requirements, we need around 4.5 lakhs taka for some external hardware devices and so on. Are these included or excluded from the total budget?
Of course, all are included in the budget.
To be very honest, if the budget includes the expenses of the required devices, we don't believe it's possible for us to develop a software with this limited budget. Can I suggest something?
Yeah, sure.
By using the cameras of smartphones or laptops, we can ensure facial recognition. If we don't include the fingerprint recognition and voice recognition feature, then we would be able to deliver the software within the given budget and time.
We want to provide high security as all these are very sensitive data, so there is no option of reducing any feature. According to the ASI code principle number 1, the ultimate effect of the work should be to the public good. So instead of thinking reducing anything, you should do this job for humanitarian cause.
ACM Code of Ethics 1.1 proposed to contribute to society and human well-being. That is why we want to give our best to this project. But with a limited budget and time, it may not be possible.
But most of the patients are under poverty, so they cannot afford any charge while using this software. And we want to build this software without taking any charge from them.
But we need to follow ACM section 3.2, which includes managing personnel and resources to design and build information system that enhance the quality of working life. So we need to consider the ethical rules for the workers also, as this matter serves the human of society. So we are considering to gain possibly the lowest profit.
May I suggest something? If you could arrange fundraisers, campaigns, and sponsorship to increase the funding, we would be able to develop a system that ensure high level of security.
Your suggestions are really good, but what can we expect more from you that might help us in financially?
We know we are working for a great cause, so we want to try our best to work for the data protection protocol. To maintain this, we want to give our most highly secured database, which will help us to respect the privacy of others according to ACM section 1.7.
As you consider this for humanitarian cause, for this, thank you very much. We are also thinking about helping you, and so helping you will be, we will be offering you 2.5 lakhs and 3 months of time. I hope that will be enough.
Since ensuring that the public good is the central concern during all professional computing work, according to the ACM Ethics Code 3.1, we'll try our best to deliver the best and quality of software.
We hope that our workers will also understand and support us in every way. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you.